I'm in front of Gintong Kasaysayan, Gintong Pamana mural located in Unidad Park in historic Filipinotown city of Los Angeles, California. Gintong Kasaysayan, Gintong Pamana in Filipino means a gory history and a golden legacy. This mural measures 150 feet long and 30 feet wide. It's the largest Filipino American mural in the United States. It tells a story of awakened Filipino national and political consciousness and pays tribute to Filipinos both locally and nationally. Unidad Park is in walking distance to the new icon Eastern Gateway. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Please press bell button so you get notified when we release the new video.